Hi friends, welcome to Key to Pictures. What is white balance? This is a great question because white balance is so important. Have you ever noticed or have taken a picture and it turned out to be too blue or too orange? Basically, light has a color temperature and we use the white balance on our cameras to control it. So if you find that you take a picture and it looks too cool, then you would adjust your white balance on your camera to be a little bit warmer to compensate for that blue, and vice versa. If you take a picture, usually being indoors at night with the lights on, create that orangey color, kind of an ugly orange. You can tell your camera by adjusting the white balance to give it a cooler temperature, thus canceling out that orange, so it makes a more beautiful color for your picture, a more realistic color basically. I remember when I was starting out first in photography, in digital photography, because when I had a film camera you didn't have to adjust the white balance, but when I was starting out with digital photography, I would take a picture and I would find that it was too blue or too orange, and I was so frustrated with not getting the results I wanted. And when I finally figured out what white balance was, it was fun to be able to finally adjust that and make the picture more true to life. In another video, I teach you how to adjust it on your camera. But in this video, I just wanted to introduce you to white balance and what it means. And of course, I want to leave you with a quote, and I'll tell you who said it as soon as after I read it. This person said, "A hero is an ordinary individual who finds strength to persevere and endure in spite of overwhelming obstacles." And the person that said this was Christopher Reeve. And what a fitting quote coming from him, because he truly did overcome so many obstacles and overwhelming odds. It gives you something to think about. So I want you to make it a good day, and I'll see you soon.